In the spring we came to Tintagel, and it was a really windy and horrible day. You might have actually seen that bit of video. I think the wind up here must be 30 to 40 mile an hour. I'd say probably 20 miles an hour, and then gusts of probably 40. Absolutely no way to fly a drone up here. You know, you're too close to people. English heritage. I think you'd even struggle from like the beach, to be honest. I mean, I think it's possible on the decent day, but certainly not today. But it's September now, and it is the day of the Queen's funeral, and the castle's closed. It's a lovely sunny day. Nobody here. Let's see what we can do. Certainly a very different day today. It couldn't be not hardly a cloud in the sky. Well, Tintagel, we'll tick that one off. So hopefully some great shots. Mainly the bridge. I wasn't going to go too much over the island because I couldn't actually, well, it'd be beyond VLOS because I'm looking almost straight into the sun. So yes, we'll see what we got. Hopefully got some pictures and some video. So I just did this flight with the Mini 3, and one of the best things actually about the Mini 3 that nobody really talks about is that it's very quiet. I mean, you could call it the Mini Stealth, to be honest, because comparing it to the Mini 2 or the Air 2S, which are much louder, yeah, it's a massive improvement. So when it's in the air, you barely hear it really, unless it's, you know, quite close to you. But it's not such a offensive buzzing noise either. It's some sort of a, I don't know, it's nice on the ears really. I mean, Air 2s, the Minis, all kind of sound quite aggressive. This one sounds more like a butterfly than a wasp. That's probably the best way to put it. But yeah, massive difference. Thanks for watching. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, the thumbs up and the bell icon.